Hi, my name is Alexandra Lamari-Fisher, and I'm the Pediatric Psychologist with the Congenital Heart Surgery team and the Psychosocial team lead. I chose to go into healthcare because I was very passionate about serving children that typically don't have access to evidence-based care. Congenital heart surgery is an expanding area within Austin, and now we have children who typically weren't living beyond 20, 30 years, who are now surviving into adulthood, and being able to provide comprehensive family-based services to these children and families is a unique opportunity that can maybe help them across their lifespan. I take a very holistic approach, a very family-based approach to healthcare. I do believe that a child is as healthy as a family, as much as a family can be healthy. So being able to support parents and families as a whole is so important to me. And I think that makes a lot of sense in the congenital heart surgery team, where the child and the parent walk through that process over many years together. So I think that's one of the unique features about the services I deliver. I look at the family as a whole, not an individual patient. Listening is probably one of the most important skills, not just in psychology. People assume it's just the domain of psychology or social work, but in fact, it's a critical piece of any healthcare delivery system. Patients and parents will tell you what makes sense to them within the framework of what you have to offer. And when you make services patient-centered, family-centered, culturally relevant, it improves both their experience and it also improves outcomes, because it's something that their families are willing to follow and matches what their goals are for their child and what the child's goals are for themselves. So listening is probably the biggest skill that we can offer, the most critical skill we can offer beyond the technical skills of medical care. What I find the most rewarding and enjoyable about my job is working in a team. I think to serve children across the lifespan in a comprehensive way, you need a village. You need multiple people who have different expertises to come together to offer very holistic services. And I think I enjoy that the most about our team. And I enjoy working with people who are very passionate about their outcomes and who really want to make a difference, because when we all work together, these children and these families receive the best outcomes possible. The way I decompress the most is really just spending time with my family, and exercise is a big deal for me. So I love to run. There's so many beautiful trails in Austin, and the weather is lovely, and Barton Springs is an amazing place to jump in after a great run. So the way I sort of manage and create balance in my life is by spending time with my children and running and being outside.